Good morning, children. I'm Priya Madam, your English teacher. Children, we had an explanation about your first lesson in the English textbook, the town mouse and the country mouse. Now, we are going to the vocabulary connected to the particular lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. What do you mean by vocabulary? Vocabulary is the number of words known to a particular person. When you're at school, the familiar words that you have at school are notebooks, textbooks, pens, pencils, pouches, benches, desks, blackboard, chalk piece. This is all your vocabulary. If we speak about a doctor, what would be his vocabulary? His vocabulary would be the clinic, the theatre, and the surgery, and the stitches that he does, and the masks and the gloves that he uses, and also the medicines that he is prescribing for a patient. So, vocabulary differs from one department to the other. As a student, you have your own vocabulary. As a doctor has his own vocabulary. If you think about a bank employee, what would be his vocabulary? His vocabulary would be dealing with checks, drafts, withdrawals, and fixed deposits, and DDs, and all such transactions go on in the bank. So you can imagine, children, what is the meaning of vocabulary? The number of words known to a particular person. Understood, children? So here we are joining two words together, which is called a compound noun. While we are joining two words together to form a particular word, it is known as a compound noun. For example, I will write on the board hand, H-A-N-D, hand, plus S-O-M. So, what is the word? Handsome. Hand is a particular word by itself. Some is a particular word by itself. But joined together makes one word. The word is known as handsome. Here we are having a few words which are going to be joined from part A to part B, and it's going to form a word. Have you understood, children? Please put your mind to it. Thank you, children. So here, B-I-R-T-H, birth, we are going to join it with the day. So what do we get? We get birthday. We spell out birthday. D-O-O-R, door. D-O-O-R, door. When we are joining it with B-E-L-L, it spells out as door, bell. Door, bell. While we are going to M-O-O-N, moon, M-O-O-N, moon, and we are joining it with L-I-G-H-T, we are getting the word and forming the word moonlight. We have formed the word moonlight. Now, when we are G-A-T-E, gate, is a word by itself. G-A-T-E, gate, is a word by itself. While you are joining it with W-A-Y, W-A-Y, way, is a word by itself. So, while joining gate with W-A-Y, we form a new word, gateway. Gateway. M-O-T-O-R, motor. While we are joining it to the word B-I-K-E, bike, which is a word by itself, we are going to join M-O-T-O-R with B-I-K-E, bike. So the word converts into motorbike. This is a word by itself. This is a word by itself. But both these words joined together form a particular word. That is called motorbike. F-I-R-E, fire. It's a word by itself. W-O-O-D, wood, is a word by itself. While we are joining fire with W-O-O-D, wood, it is formed into a firewood, another word. So each word by itself has a particular meaning and it's a word by itself. While joining it to another word which is situated in B, A, the words that are in group A, which are joined with the words in group B, are forming new words. So, birth, day, door, bell, moon, light, gate, way, motor, bike, fire, wood. Children, did you understand the meaning of vocabulary? What is vocabulary? The number of words known to a particular person in whichever field or whichever part of job he is situated. This is called vocabulary. All the number of words that are familiar to a particular person. It is known as vocabulary. This vocabulary is from your textbook. It is from your English textbook. I hope you will be writing these words in group A and group B at least twice in your CW as homework. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.